For our dinner, we are here in Burger King. Burger King in Pattaya. Our first dinner here in Pattaya, Burger King. With hubo-hubo background. Charot. Chicken teriyaki. Mm. Chicken jaw. Mm. Super spicy. Chicken teriyaki is 99 baht. Also, their chicken jaw is 99 baht. For our drinks, we have Coke Zero size large for 79 baht. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.